Today we are going to make some Christmas trees like this using fabric strips and a skewer like you would cook with and a little Jenga block. And we're going to top it with a sticker. So first we need to tie our fabric on our skewer. So you're going to make a loop. You're going to put it on your skewer on top of the loop and then take the little tails and pull them through the loop. So again, we're going to make a loop, fold it in half. We're going to put it below the skewer. We're going to put the tail of our fabric through the loop and pull. Then we're going to push them together. So we're going to keep repeating that process. We're going to fold it, put the tail end through the loop and pull tight. Then squish it together. Make sure every time you put a loop on, you change directions. So that way our Christmas tree is even on both sides. And make sure it's pushed together every single time so it's nice and snug. We're gonna fill about 1/3 of our stick with the fabric. And that's after we push it all together. Once you're done, you're gonna cut the sides at an angle, diagonal, to make it into a big triangle shape. So I cut one side, I flip it, and then I cut the other side to make a triangle. We're gonna put our scraps in the scrap container and hot glue on a topper. And then we're gonna hot glue on the base to the stick. Have fun!